in this video you will learn how to share link to a PDF version of your Google Documents files, or in simple words, how to share Google Docs as PDF. So what will happen is that you will send a link to your Google Documents file, a Google Sheets file or Google Slides file to someone, and you can send this link using email, and when that person will click on the link, they will get a save as prompt. Their file explorer will open and they will be able to save your Google Documents as a PDF instead of opening your Google Document or Google Sheets file. And this is very useful because we all like PDF files due to their quality and portability. So let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos about educational technology tools available to teachers and students. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button if it is red, and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. So when we share our Google Documents file, we can click either on share and then type the email addresses and Google will send them a message and a link. But you can also copy the link. And if you copy your link and paste it in, for example, Notepad, you will notice that your link will look like something as you can see on my screen. These are three types of links you will get from your Google Documents, Google Sheets or Google Slides files. And this is this last portion which we have to edit. So we will put the link in Notepad and we will change this last part of our link to what is shown in yellow. So let us do this, and now this is my Google document file which I want to share as a PDF. So I click on share, and now instead of typing email, I click on copy link. Link copied, and now I open Notepad which is available in every computer and I paste this link. And now this is the last part which I have to edit, and I replace this with the one I have shown you. So I paste it here, and basically instead of edit you have to write export, and instead of USP is equal to sharing you have to write this format is equal to PDF. And now I copy this link, select and right click, then copy, and now I send this link to someone. So I'm using my own account. Let's give it a title, and I paste this link, and whatever you want to write you can write, but I just click on send. And now in my second email account I got this message. I click on that, and now it seems that it is a Google Documents icon here, but when I click on this link it shows me this save as option, and I can save it on my desktop. So I click save, and now it has been saved, and now I click open to open this file, and as you can see that my Google Documents file has been transferred to a beautiful PDF file. So this is a very quick and easy way to share your Google Documents as PDF. In particular, if you are teaching online, your students will be able to save these files on their computer instead of having a link to your Google Documents files. Now the other method would be that you create a PDF from your Google Documents, save it somewhere on your Google Drive and share the link to that file, but that will still be a link. In this method you can allow your students to save the file as PDF. So in many cases this is a good option. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.